What is the main component of the sun? Here is the answer. Hydrogen. Who discovered the element polonium? Here is the answer. Marie Curie. How many moons does Mars have? The answer is 2. What is the atomic number of iron? The answer is 26. Where are the adrenal glands located? And the answer is kidneys. What is the hardest natural substance? The correct choice is diamond. How many chambers does a human heart have? Here is the answer. 4. What is the chemical symbol for silver? And the answer is Ag. Who proposed the theory of evolution? The correct choice is Charles Darwin. When was the first exoplanet discovered? And the answer is 1992. What is the unit of electric power? Answer, what? How many pairs of ribs are in humans? The correct choice is 12. Why is the sky blue on Earth? Answer, Rayleigh. Where is the smallest bone in the body? And the answer is ear. What is the pH of pure water? And the answer is 7. What is the Stefan Boltzmann constant? Answer, 5.678. Who formulated the laws of electrolysis? And the answer is Michael Faraday. What is the molar mass of caffeine? Answer, 194.2 gmol. How many quarks are in a baryon? Here is the answer, 3. Where is the Meissner effect observed? Here is the answer, superconductors. What is the Schwarzschild radius? The correct choice is event horizon. Who identified the first virus? Answer, D. Ivanovsky. What is the oxidation state of Mn in KMnO4? Time's up! It's pause 7! Why is the triple point of water unique? Here is the answer. 3 phases. When was the Higgs boson confirmed? The correct choice is 2012. What is the main gas in Venus' atmosphere? The answer is carbon dioxide. How many amino acids are essential? Did you guess it? The answer is 9. Where do glial cells exist? Here is the answer. Brain! What is the bond order of N2? The correct choice is 3. Who discovered the neutron? Here is the answer. James Chadwick. How many ppm is 0.1%? Time's up, it's 1,000. What is the density of osmium? And the answer is 22.6 G Sangsam 3. Why do Cepheid variables pulsate? Answer, helium zone! Where is the islets of Langerhans? Here is the answer, pancreas. What is the half-life of carbon-14? The answer is 5730 years. Who developed the PCR technique? The answer is Kary Mullis. How many dimensions are in M-theory? The answer is 11. What is the value of Avogadro number? Time's up, it's 6.022E23. Why is the Pauli exclusion principle key? And the answer is quantum states. Where is the Kuiper belt located? And the answer is past Neptune. What is the refractive index of diamond? The correct choice is 2.42. Who first measured the speed of light? The answer is Ola Romer. How many laws of thermodynamics exist? The correct choice is 4. What is the chemical formula of quartz? Did you guess it? The answer is SiO2. Why is the myelin sheath important? Answer, fast signals. Where do T cells mature? Answer, thymus. What is the specific heat of water? The answer is 418 JGK. Who discovered the positron? Time's up, it's Carl Anderson. How many net ATP are in glycolysis? The correct choice is 2. What is the charge of an up quark? The answer is +23. And that's a wrap. Thanks for playing along. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a quiz. Catch you in the next video.